Okay, beta, good morning. And let us discuss now. Paramveer, Arman, what is sludge? What is sludge? Hanji, Aditya Vishisht. You have to be little louder, my dear. Someone else can add, yes. Okay. Hanji. Which is settled. Semi-solid waste like pieces settle at the bottom of the tank. Okay, na? And then which is removed with the help of scraper, and this is called as sludge. How does a frog breathe in water? How does a frog breathe in water? Hanji beta. Very good. It breathes through its skin in water. Name the process by which energy is released from digested food. Hanji beta. Hanji. Respiration. Shabash. Under what condition does anaerobic respiration take place? Under what condition does anaerobic respiration take place? Hanji Anureed beta. It takes place in the absence of oxygen. This is one. There is one, Hanji. You want to add something, Mridul? Hanji? It takes. That is not a condition, my dear. It takes place in the muscle cells during, that you have to mention, that it is during heavy exercise. Hanji. बिल्कुल ठीक है. It is taking place when the demand of energy is more in the cells and the supply is less. In those conditions, it takes place in the absence or less amount of oxygen in the muscle cells and also in the yeast cells. In these two conditions, it occurs. Anaerobic conditions. You want to add something? Less? No, beta, I am asking you conditions. What problems do we face with open drainage? Hanji beta, Niyamat. It causes many. Let us start with first one. What do you see first thing when it is an open drainage? What do you see first thing? Flies, mosquitoes breeding. Second thing, bad smell or bad odor. Yes? Hanji. Unsanitary and unhygienic condition. Shabash. Causes pollution. Grain nahi, drain. बिल्कुल ठीक है. There will be blockage because of the pollutants and garbage being there, and that will cause stagnation of water. ठीक है? Stagnation of water, and then it will lead to breeding of mosquitoes and flies. That is enough. Since it was for 2 marks, you could have written any 2 points out of these. Very good. Write word equation for aerobic respiration in human beings. I want Vijay Paul. Please come and write down on the board. Beta ji, while we are discussing, it is most important that we maintain discipline. Yes, write down beta. By the time he is writing, Let us continue. Name the following. The apertures on the sides of the insect body. Spiracles. Shabash. Next one. Fuel produced by anaerobic fermentation of sludge. Hanji Neha. Biogas. Pores on the leaves for exchange of gases in plants. Hanji beta. Hanji. Stomata. Distinguish between photosynthesis and respiration. Photosynthesis and respiration. First point. You are talking about what? Photosynthesis or respiration? बिल्कुल ठीक. Photosynthesis occurs in green plants only, whereas respiration occurs in all plants and animals. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Glucose. ये गलत है बेटा जी. नहीं, I want someone. Jasmine आके इसको ठीक कीजिए, रीराइट कीजिए. Okay बेटा. Second point difference. बिल्कुल ठीक. Glucose is formed in case of photosynthesis, but in case of respiration, glucose is being broken down. The third point of difference. Third point of difference. Ankit, third point of difference between photosynthesis and respiration. Very good. In case of photosynthesis, oxygen is released. In case of respiration, oxygen is used, taken in. Glucose with the use of oxygen will give carbon dioxide, water and energy. Shabash. This equation is right for question number 6. Next one. What care should be taken while disposing waste in the kitchen? What care should be taken? Mridul. First point. We should not throw oil and fats in the drains or lakes because they harden the pipe. बिल्कुल ठीक. We should not throw oils and paints and other chemicals into the drain because they will harden the pipe. And they will also further do what? Hanji beta. बिल्कुल, it blocks the drains. हो गया. Okay. Because they may kill the microbes that purify water. So do not throw them down the drain. Anji. Bilkul. Use tea leaves, solid food remains, toys, cotton, sanitary towels should not be thrown into, should be thrown into the dustbin, not into the drains. Why should we breathe through our nose, not through our mouth? Anji, Harman. First thing you have to say that our nostrils contain hairs. Hanji. Then बिल्कुल ठीक है. The hair particles will block all the foreign particles which are entering into the nostrils and hence will save us from any kind of infection or any kind of disease causing germs को stop कर देंगे वो. बेटा जी, those present in the meeting kindly fill the form.